everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back for an easy lock style. So the first step is to section off some locks in the front. The size of the section will depend on how large you want your faux bangs poof to be. So I take about 12 locks, I'm not sure, but I just simply pull it forward and then bend it back and let it sit on the top of my head. And then I do some adjusting to make sure there's no gaps so you can't really see my forehead and to make sure it's fluffy. But this is really not important to do right away. I kind of just wanted to make sure my hair looks good throughout the tutorial, but you can really do the adjusting at the very end. So, you can fluff it up to make it look thicker and fuller and to fill out any gaps. Now I'm going to create my basket weave. Now basket weaves are one of the most simplest ways to style your locks. Super easy. Basically you're creating crisscrosses. Now I'm grabbing 2 locks at a time and I'm crisscrossing them over each other. Well, I'm not doing them on top of each other, I'm doing them behind each other. And each time you cross 2 locks behind, those locks will secure the other locks in place until you finally secure the whole thing with a pin. You don't really have to use a pin. You can actually create a crisscross and actually tie those locks together, but I prefer to use a pin for this style because I want it to be more neat. So I take a long bobby pin and hold it in place after I finish crisscrossing. I think I crisscrossed maybe 4 times. I don't know, I didn't count. You guys can count right here if you want to, but I crisscrossed it up until I guess the front half of my head was complete. And then I take the bobby pin and I stick it in the last set of locks, and that will secure the whole thing in place. If you crisscross them correctly, you don't have to worry about them coming loose using just one pin. Now I'm gonna go back and fluff up my faux bangs. I don't know what to call it. Should I call it faux bangs or a poof? I'll just call it a faux bangs poof. And that's really it. Super simple. This style can be done on medium to long locks. A variation can be done on short locks. For instance, you can do the basket weave crisscross. However, you may not be able to do the faux bangs poof. You might want to just pull some hair forward to create the bangs effect. Now that's it. I hope you enjoy this lock style. I hope you try it out and I hope you have great results. Stay tuned if you want to see my 60-second recap, which I really created to post on Instagram. You can post 60-second videos on your Instagram page, so that's what that's for. Thanks for watching. Love, light, and locks.